Good evening, students. Today we'll start a new chapter, that is reproduction. Okay. What is actually reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which living organism produce more living organism of its own kind. Like reproduction is a process by which living organism produce offsprings. बच्चे पैदा करने का प्रोसेस को हम लोग रिप्रोडक्शन बोलते हैं. लाइक फ्रॉग प्रोड्यूस मोर फ्रॉग्स, ह्यूमंस प्रोड्यूस मोर ह्यूमंस, बर्ड्स प्रोड्यूस मोर बर्ड्स. हाउ? दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज रिप्रोडक्शन. ओके. Reproduction is of two types, mainly asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The names are little misleading, but you must understand asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, the process of reproduction in which new individuals are produced from a single parent. Okay? As in humans, you need two parents to have a new child. So in asexual reproduction, the similar things is not needed. Asexual reproduction में एक parent एक child को जन्म दे सकता है. So it is known as asexual reproduction. There is no involvement of sex. So it is known as asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction, the process of reproduction in which two individuals are involved to produce a new individual. Example in human, as I have said now. Examples of asexual reproduction are microorganisms. The smaller unicellular microorganisms are asexually reproducing. Asexual reproduction is found in the single-celled organisms such as the bacteria, eubacteria, etc. Many plants and fungi also have asexual reproduction. Lower plants में asexual reproduction होता है. Higher plants जो आप लोग देखते हैं, mango, papaya, जो भी देख रहे हैं, उन लोगों में asexual reproduction नहीं होता. They are sexually reproducing. They need two individual for reproduction to produce a new member of the species. Okay? So this is the mode of reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. These are two types of reproduction. Sexual reproduction in animals, males and females have different reproductive parts or organs. In sexually reproducing organisms, जो sexual reproduction करते हैं new offsprings को लाने के लिए. Offsprings मतलब अपने species के नए member को लाने के लिए वो लोग जो process use करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं sexual reproduction. And two individuals are needed for sexual reproduction. Two individuals must be of opposite sex. One must be male, one must be female. And those who are sexually reproducing animals or organisms are having two different set of reproductive parts. इनका reproductive parts, males का reproductive parts और females का reproductive parts similar नहीं होता है. Okay, both are different parts. See, sexual reproduction animals में भी नहीं होता, animals में सिर्फ नहीं होता, plants में भी sexual reproduction होता है. जो आप लोग फूल देख रहे हैं, फूल either male होता है either female होता है किसी प्लांट में, नहीं तो किसी प्लांट में दोनों एक ही फूल में मेल फीमेल होता है. लेकिन मेल फीमेल होता है, मेल फीमेल होने से ही सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन बोलेंगे. अगर एक ही इंडिविजुअल है तो उसको एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन बोलेंगे. ठीक है. The reproductive parts in animals produce gametes. See, reproductive parts से एक और एक सेल निकलता है. ठीक है. It's a kind of messenger that is known as gametes. Okay, they fuse to form a zygote. When two gametes, a male gamete and a female gamete fuse, okay, they form a zygote. Okay, we'll talk about this more. The zygote will develop into the new individual. Zygote develops to the new individual. See, when you are born, first two male gametes came, one male gamete and a female gamete. Male gamete came from your father and female gamete came from your mother. They combined with each other. They formed a zygote. And zygote developed inside your mother's womb. or the uterus to form the baby and the baby grew into you. मतलब आप लोग एक बेबी से बड़े हुए हैं, वो बेबी किससे हुआ है? एक मेल और फीमेल गैमेट के फ्यूजन से हुआ है. ओके, द टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन बिगिंस फ्रॉम द फ्यूजन ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट इज कॉल्ड ए सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में फ्यूजन ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, यू मस्ट नो, दो इंडिविजुअल का होना जरूरी नहीं है, पर दो गैमेट का होना बहुत जरूरी है. कभी कभी कोई प्लांट में एक ही फ्लावर में मेल और फीमेल पार्ट होता है, क्या उसको सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं बोलेंगे? बोलेंगे उसको सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. ओके, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन मतलब दो गैमेट, एक फीमेल और एक मेल गैमेट जब जाइगोट बनाएगा तब उसको हम लोग सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन बोलेंगे. नहीं तो हम लोग एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन बोलेंगे. Two individuals are not necessary. Two gametes are necessary. One male, one female is necessary. Okay? Reproduction in human. Now we'll see how humans reproduce. Reproduction in humans. Okay, male parts. First we'll learn about male reproduction part. The pair of testes. Okay, testis plural है, singular है, testis. Okay, testi भी बोलते हैं उसको, testi. बट स्पेलिंग में एस होता है लास्ट, एस साइलेंट है. टेस्टी, टेस्टिस. ओके, देन टू sperm ducts, then we have penis, then we have urethra. These are the important male reproductive organs that are present in your male of human species, like the boys. Okay, this is the diagram of the male reproductive system. Okay, this is the penis. And in the penis you have urethra. These are the testicles inside the scrotal sac. Okay, this is the vas deferens, or the vas deferens is also known as the sperm duct. See, for each testis you have two testes. Okay, in boys there are two testes, or the male में दो testes होता है. Each testis has a vas deferens or the sperm duct. Okay, now we have a singular penis. एक ही penis होता है और एक urethra होता है. Urethra का बहुत सारा functions है, हम लोग जानेंगे अभी. This is the male reproductive system. Testis plural है, testis singular. Okay, the testis produce the male gametes called the sperm. Human male gamete का नाम है sperm. Similarly, plants में male gamete का नाम होता है pollen grain. Okay, pollen grain, और humans में sperm. Millions of male gametes are produced by the testis. Millions of sperms are produced in testis. Those sperms are very small in size. Each has a head and middle piece and a tail. Okay, sperm का पिक्चर आपके बुक में दिया होगा, आप देखेंगे उसका एक हेड होता है, बीच में एक मिडिल पीस होता है, बाद में ऐसा एक चाउमीन जैसा टेल होता है. ठीक है, द टेल हेल्प हिम टू ट्रैवल टू द फीमेल गैमेट, दैट इज द ओवम. ओके, sperm is a single cell with all the usual cell components. You see, sperm is a singular cell. एक ही सेल है sperm. Sperm multicellular नहीं है, एक ही सेल से बना हुआ है. Sperm is a single cell. They are present inside a sac called the scrotum. Testis कहाँ होता है? एक scrotum जैसा sac होता है, उसके अंदर present होता है. This is scrotum, and inside it is present testis. Also produce a special hormone called testosterone. Testis also produce a special hormone called the testosterone. Testosterone is a very important hormone. This is also called as the puberty hormone in the males. ये एज के साथ ज्यादा मतलब इसका लेवल बढ़ते जाता है, तब जाके आपका वॉइस डीप होगा, आपके मुंह पे दाढ़ी आएंगी और आपका मसल ग्रोथ होगा. ठीक है, आप जब हम मतलब बड़े लोगों को देखते होंगे, खुद को देखते होंगे, डिफरेंस क्यों है? डिफरेंस इसलिए उनमें टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल ज्यादा है और आप में कम है. तो आप जब और बड़े होंगे तो आप में भी वो टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल बढ़ेगा, बॉयज में बढ़ेगा. तो बढ़ने के बाद वो लोग क्या होगा ना, आपके मुंह में दाढ़ी आएगी, आपका मसल ग्रोथ होगा, आपका हाइट ग्रोथ होगा. तो ये दिस ऑल आर बिकॉज ऑफ टेस्टोस्टेरोन. ओके. नाउ vas difference of the sperm duct. In Latin it is the carrying away vessel. ओके. vas difference एक लैटिन वर्ड है, उसका मतलब है कैरिंग अवे वेसल. प्लूरल दैट्स vas differentia. ठीक है. vas difference सिंगुलर है, प्लूरल उसका vas differentia है. There are two ducts. For each testis there is one duct, so there are two ducts. We are having two testes in boys. In males, also known as the sperm duct. The sperm is transferred from each vas difference into the urethra, partially mixing with the secretion from the male accessory glands. The mixture of sperm and the gland fluid is known as semen. Okay. See, the vas difference is starting from the testis here. It is going around like this, and here where the urethra. This is the urethra. Okay, urethra. It is entering urethra here and is emptying the all the sperm into the urethra. So accessory male sex glands are seminal vesicle, prostate, and other things are also there. Other glands. इनमें से बहुत सारे सिक्रेशंस निकलता है जो स्पर्म को हेल्प करता है डेवलपमेंट और एनर्जी देने के लिए. ठीक है. ये सारा सिक्रेशन को लेके वो यूरेथ्रा में देता है. द मिक्सचर ऑफ स्पर्म एंड द ग्लैंड फ्लूइड इज नोन एज सीमेन. सीमेन यदि आपको पूछा जाए क्या होता है, सीमेन इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ स्पर्म एंड द ग्लैंड फ्लूइड. ओके. एक्सेसरी सेक्स ऑर्गन्स ग्लैंड. Penis. In human, penis is an external sex organs for male humans. Penis is also present in many other animals also. It's not a characteristic feature of male human, but is male of other animals like dogs, sheep, and giraffe, horse, elephants also have penis. Okay. In males, the expulsion of urine from the body is done through the penis. The urine expulsion, urine आप लोग जब यूरिनेट करने जाते हैं बाथरूम, ठीक है, the penis is helping the for the process of urination, यूरिन निकालने के लिए. ठीक है. penis नहीं होगा, यूरिन निकालना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Also passes sperm into the female reproductive system. Another function of penis is that it transfers sperm into the female reproductive system. Okay. Urethra, it is a tube-like structure present inside of the penis which carry urine from the bladder and semen from the sperm duct. The urethra, as I have shown earlier, this is the urethra. Okay, this part is known as the urethra. This is the penis. Okay, this is the urinary bladder. When urine comes through, it transfers urines. But when the vas difference is giving the secretions, and here the semen come through, इसमें से सीमेन निकलता है. ठीक है. तो इसका डुअल फंक्शन हो गया, यूरिन सिक्रीशन एंड सीमेन रिलीज. नाउ विल लर्न अबाउट फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन. फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन में क्या होता है? द पेयर ऑफ ओवरीज, ओविडक्ट्स और द फैलोपियन ट्यूब्स. This is oviduct or the fallopian tubes. Then we have uterus. Okay, uterus is the portion of female reproductive organ where the development of baby occurs. So earlier where you are saying that पेट में बच्चा है, but पेट में बच्चा नहीं है. Okay, पेट का मतलब स्टोमक हम लोग समझ रहे हैं. तो स्टोमक में बच्चा नहीं होता, एक्चुअली यूट्रस में होता है. ठीक है. So whenever you are asked now where the baby develops inside a mother, you will say uterus. You won't say stomach. Okay. Now this is a diagram of a female reproductive organ. See, these are the ovaries. Okay. This is a fallopian tube. We have two fallopian tube each for one ovary. Then this is the central portion known as the uterus, and there is a valve present at the bottom of uterus that is known as cervix, and this is known as the vagina. Okay. Ovaries. The ovaries is an organ found in the female reproductive system that produce an ovum. When released, they travel down the fallopian tube into the uterus where they become fertilized by the sperm. Where there is ovaries, ovary Latin में ovarum, उसका मतलब होता है egg, nut, okay, egg या nut shape का, ठीक है? Found on each side of the body. The ovaries is secreting hormone that plays a role in menstruation cycle and fertility. See, now there are certain things about ovaries you must know. There are 2 ovaries in each side of your body. Okay, ovary release ovum. Ovum is the female gamete. Sexual reproduction के लिए क्या जरूरी? 2 gametes, एक मेल और एक फीमेल. मेल गैमेट ह्यूमंस में क्या है? स्पर्म. अभी फीमेल गैमेट क्या है? ओवम. ओके, ओवम. ओवम इज द फीमेल गैमेट. सी, द ovaries release their ovum here, and from here the ovum travels all the way into the uterus, and in the process it get fertilized by the sperm. Fertilization मतलब फ्यूजन. दो गैमेट का फ्यूजन होगा तभी जाके सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होगा. तो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? दो गैमेट्स मिल गए, एक मेल हो गया स्पर्म, एक हो गया फीमेल ओवम. सो नाउ दे विल फर्टिलाइज एंड वेयर द बेबी विल ग्रो? इन द यूट्रस. ओके, this ovary is just like testes. Testes are similar to ovaries, and ovaries are similar to testes. Ovaries also develop certain hormones just like testes developing testosterone. Ovaries also develop hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Okay, those are very important in menstruation cycle, that is the monthly bleeding of the female individuals in the humans, and in fertility. Okay, the release of ovum from the ovary is called the ovulation. The process by which the ovaries give out the ovum is known as the ovulation. It's a very complex process. You will learn it how it is happening in your higher classes, how ovulation is taking place. Now you are just have to remember that the ovulation is a process by which ovary gives out ovum. Okay. Fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is also known as the uterine tube. Are the tube that stretch from the uterus to the ovaries and are the part of female reproductive organ. The fertilized egg passes through the fallopian tube into the from the ovaries of the female mammals to the uterus. Okay, you see, these are the fallopian tubes. This is extending. ये कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है? ओवरी से शुरू हो रहा है. एंड कहाँ हो रहा है? यूट्रस पे. So it is extending between the ovaries and the uterus. Okay, they carry ovum released by the, ये actually कुछ नहीं है, ये एक टाइप का ligament है. Okay, this is helping ovary to stay in a place. ये कोई fallopian tube नहीं, आप लोग confuse मत होइए. Fallopian tube से भी यही structure है. Okay, these ovaries are releasing ovum into the fallopian tube. They get fertilized and enter the uterus. So it is kind of a transport system, tunnel. Okay, fallopian tube. Uterus is a bag-like structure where the fertilized egg develop into baby. I've said now. Now onwards, when you are asked where is baby developing, you won't say the stomach or the pet. You will say uterus. Use the knowledge you are gaining in the class. Okay. The important concept. Now see, this is a very important concept. This is very necessary. You have to remember it for your life. Okay. Gametes. Gametes are unicellular. Okay. Single celled. These are ovum or sperm in case of male. Other animals there are different names. In plants that is different names. Okay. I'll tell you after that in plants what they are named. When they are fusing, they form zygote. Okay. When two gametes, one male, one female gamete fuse, okay, they make zygote. Zygote is a unicellular structure. वो भी एक सिंगल सेल ही स्ट्रक्चर है. दो फ्यूज होने के बाद वो मतलब दो सेल नहीं हो जाएगा, एक ही सेल होगा. ठीक है, फ्यूज होके एक ही सेल होगा. Then the zygote divide into multicellular structure called embryo. Okay, the embryo will divide itself with hand, making it hand, legs, face, mouth, and all other organs, and then it will be known as baby. Embryo होगा, उसके बाद बेबी होगा, ठीक है। दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट यू मस्ट रिमेंबर। जाइगोट यूनिसेलुलर है, वो डिवाइड करेगा कंटिन्यूअसली, वो और सेल्स देगा बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेल डिवीजन। ओके, सेल डिवीजन होने के बाद वो क्या होगा, एम्ब्रियो फॉर्म करेगा, एम्ब्रियो में डिफरेंशिएशन होगा, हाथ बनेगा, पैर बनेगा, मुंह, गला, पेट और भी ऑर्गन्स बनेगा, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एम्ब्रियो। ओके, now I have said you earlier many times the word fertilization. Fertilization is very important in sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction में fertilization नहीं होता है, only sexual reproduction animals में fertilization होता है, ठीक है। The process of fertilization is the fusion of male gametes sperm with a female gametes ovum is called fertilization. Zygote is formed after fertilization. Okay. The two things, male and female gamete fuse into a unicellular structure that is known as zygote. See, male sperm, this is a sperm, and this is the ovum. Ovum looks something like it. Okay.